This is my demo of the Adele painted and printed paper painting. I'm going to go through the materials I use. I use Huggies Natural Care to keep my hands and brushes clean, craft paint in any color. It does not have to be expensive paint. Any acrylic paint will do. You can also work with watercolor. The acrylic paints work particularly well on deli paper, which is interfold dry wax paper like you would get at the deli. These prints are also very effective on Oriental rice paper. Sometimes I make the collage papers from the Oriental rice paper, and sometimes the Oriental rice paper is the substrate that I end up collaging onto. The beauty of this is when I'm traveling, I'm very portable. Then when I come back to my studio, I can take Crescent illustration board and end up mounting that rice paper to it for stability. Here you're seeing one of the many books and magazines that I use to control all the finished papers and also all the little bits and pieces as I'm cutting them or tearing them to incorporate them into a painting. Regular file folders work great too. I use a 1.5 inch brush. I use a plastic mini spatula. I use craft scissors and sometimes good fabric scissors. I use Liquitex matte medium, and this has a consistency like thick milk or thin sour cream. Here you see all of the different prints and patterns that I can create using my hand-carved blocks. These hand-carved blocks are made with Easy Cut, which is available through Speedball has a version of it. I'm not as pleased with that. I get mine from eNASCO. That's ENASCO. I carve into it with a Speedball carving tool with multiple sizes of nibs that you can use. I like using indigenous patterns that, whether they're runes, whether they're geometric glyphs, whether they're ancient writing systems. I like the repetition with variation, and I enjoy trying to relate to these on the basis of, do they mean rain, mountain, sky, water? What is the purpose of them? And most important, what do they mean to me right now? Sometimes it's just the matter of having, from a design standpoint, the repetition with variation to lead your eye around the painting. Here's a view of my finished papers that have been painted and printed with my print blocks, making up the Adele painting taken from The Woman in Gold. Thank you.